Best Sport Motorcycles 2025, Triumph Rocket 3 Storm R. Triumph Motorcycles has once again set a new benchmark in the world of high-performance motorcycles with the launch of the 2025 Rocket 3 Storm R. This latest addition to the Rocket 3 lineup combines breathtaking power, cutting-edge technology, and striking design, solidifying its place as one of the most formidable sport motorcycles on the market. The 2025 Rocket 3 Storm R is equipped with a revamped 2,500 cubic centimeters triple engine, pushing out a phenomenal 180 horsepower and a colossal 160 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse ensures blistering acceleration and top-end speed, positioning the Storm R as a leader in the high-performance category. The refined engine design delivers smooth, linear power, making the bike equally adept at handling both urban environments and open highways. The 2025 Rocket 3 Storm R epitomizes Triumph's commitment to pushing the boundaries of performance and innovation, said Nick Bloor, CEO of Triumph Motorcycles. With its unparalleled power and advanced technology, the Storm R is designed to offer an unmatched riding experience. Aesthetically, the Rocket 3 Storm R is a masterpiece of modern design and engineering. The bike boasts a muscular, aggressive stance with a sculpted fuel tank, twin LED headlights, and a streamlined tail section. High-quality materials and finishes, such as brushed aluminum and carbon fiber accents, enhance its premium look and feel. The full LED lighting system not only adds to the bike's contemporary aesthetic but also ensures superior visibility. Comfort and ergonomics are central to the Rocket 3 Storm R's design. The motorcycle features an ergonomically designed seat, adjustable foot pegs, and handlebars, catering to a range of riding styles and preferences. The advanced suspension system, featuring fully adjustable Showa front forks and a rear monoshock, ensures a smooth and responsive ride, whether on twisty roads or long-distance tours. The 2025 Rocket 3 Storm R is packed with advanced technology to enhance the riding experience. A high-resolution TFT display provides essential ride information at a glance, including speed, gear position, navigation, and ride modes. The bike also includes Triumph's latest suite of electronic rider aids, such as cornering ABS, traction control, cruise control, and multiple riding modes, allowing riders to tailor the bike's performance to their specific needs and conditions. Industry experts and motorcycle enthusiasts have lauded the Rocket 3 Storm R for its seamless integration of power, technology, and design. The 2025 Triumph Rocket 3 Storm R sets a new standard for sport motorcycles, commented motorcycle journalist Lisa Chen. Its incredible engine performance, state-of-the-art features, and stunning design make it a top choice for riders seeking the ultimate sport riding experience. With its blend of immense power, sophisticated technology, and superior comfort, the 2025 Triumph Rocket 3 Storm R is set to make a significant impact in the sport motorcycle market. Enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting its arrival at dealerships, ready to experience the exceptional performance and luxurious features that the Storm R offers. This model reaffirms Triumph's leadership in the motorcycle industry, showcasing a perfect harmony of innovation and heritage.